Hey guys, um, just had dinner with my parents, and it was good. It was good. I got my decided to bring my PS4 to the apartment I'm living in right now, and brought quite a few games, but the one that is downloading now, I copied it from the disc to the console at my parents' house, and now it is gonna download overnight. And so, in the wake of that, and the upcoming release of Rings of Power, I wanted to focus on a passage from the Fellowship, which uh, I've just gotten to Moria. A lot of the you know, a lot of you might remember from the movies the scene of the Balrog, and I haven't gotten there in the book yet, um, but I think that people who read the book can sometimes appreciate it in a different way. So this is a scene from the very beginning of the book. Sorry, not very beginning, like 226. It's the beginning after you've made it another 100 pages for sure. So this is, I believe, this is after, you know, um, this is after Aragorn uses a flaming torch to ward off the ring wraiths, and when Frodo, the other hobbits, and him, not yet the Fellowship, are headed towards Rivendell, which I highly recommend reading the book if you're a fan of good things in general. So here it is. Next day, early in the morning, they came down again to the borders of the road. Sam and Strider went forward, but they found no sign of any travelers or riders. Here, under the shadow of the hills, there had been some rain. Strider judged that it had fallen 2 days before and had washed away all the footprints. No horsemen had passed since then, as far as he could see. They hurried along with all the speed they could make, and after a mile or two they saw the last bridge ahead. At the bottom of a short, steep slope, they dreaded to see black figures waiting there, but they saw none. Strider made them take cover in a thicket at the side of the road while he went forward to explore. Before long, he came hurrying back. I can see no sign of the enemy, he said, and I wonder very much what that means. But I have found something very strange. He held out his hand and showed a single pale green jewel. I found it in the mud, in the middle of the bridge, he said. It is a beryl, an elfstone. Whether it was set there or let fall by chance, I cannot say, but it brings hope to me. I will take it as a sign that we may pass the bridge, but beyond that I dare not keep to the road without some clearer token. So, I'll have you know that stone might be closest to what we would call an emerald. I used to work at Wendy's, and I worked there with a guy named Javante. He was quite a bit younger than me, and he made a couple of strange comments at times. One, we were talking about the different consoles, different gaming consoles, and he said, I think maybe his roommate had a PS4, and he said, "Damn, I'm not gonna play that. It's got some sad ass menu music." And it's just I could have told him to get over it, but I didn't. And so sometimes at Wendy's, when we get to take breaks, we could go to the front of the store and order a meal for 50% discount. We could also get it if we stop by Wendy's with our parents, or I don't know, when you're trying to mend things with your ex. That's not probably the best idea, but so after I ordered, when you order something, you put in their name. And after I ordered probably a Dave's double, which I fried the patties for, I saw the receipt that he had printed out for me, and instead of Imran, it said Emerald. And I didn't really know if I fully understood that until a lot later. And I guess in some ways things don't make sense immediately. So for all the people boycotting Rings of Power for the, maybe the intimacy stuff, or just all the other issues they have with it, just maybe it's solid in some way. Well, I hope it is so, because I do buy things from Amazon. So goodbye.